Hello there. So, you want to know how you can recover your PlayStation account on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open App Store, and on the search bar, search for the PlayStation app. Once you go ahead and search for it, simply go ahead and tap on this application right here, download and install it onto your mobile device and tap on open. Now, in order to recover, all you need to do is simply tap on this trouble sign in button right over here, and it's going to take you to a page right over here, which is going to ask you to select your region. Simply go ahead and select the region that you are in. For example, there you go. And once you select that region, what it's going to do is it's going to take you to this page right over here where you can simply log in. However, if this is not the right way to do it for you, simply tap on sign in, and on the sign in it's going to take you to this page right over here. And when it loads up, all you need to do is go ahead and tap on the trouble signing in again and click on recover your account, and that is when it's going to take you to myaccount.sony.com on your browser, and this is where you can simply go ahead and recover your account. So it's going to ask you to go ahead and enter your email, and then it will send you a link to recover your account on that email. That is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was,